Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make DIY beautiful paper bag at home and easy beautiful front design. So let's get started. First I take this blue chart paper and cut it. Length 23, width 34. Then I draw, mark and fold it. All size I will mention in the video so you can understand better. So keep watching. Now I will start to draw. Here I made two bags, one smaller and one bigger. Here for better understand I am drawing in a big bag. For big bag you can just double the size, length and width and other size will be the same. Here I made a sunflower in middle, did little mandala art in the center with white gel paint, and for color here I am using yellow, orange and brown acrylic colors. Now I am making hole in the middle and using zari threads as bag handles. You can get it in the market. Hope you like this beautiful paper bag. So make it for yourself as per your need for gift purpose or school project. Thanks for this watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please do like and share and to support my channel to grow. You can check my other videos too in my channel. Hope you will like that too. Bye bye, see you in the next video.